So I'm no longer in Russia, but apparently it's still winter survival here in Canada. I'm with David Saint-Jacques, Canadian astronaut outside the Canadian Space Agency. And why are we here, David?
Well, Andy, we're here because Canada is where space robotics is also taking place. So we're here for training. It's called the Robotics Operator Course. And after 2 weeks, we should be good to go to run the Canadarm up in the space station.
Awesome. Well, let's get out of this cold and get inside.
Get a coffee.
Yeah. All right, we're in our robotics classroom. We've got the robotic workstation here. We've also got our model of the International Space Station with the robotic arms where we can visualize what's going on.
Here's a station at scale, and here's the robotic arm also at scale. It moves and we can plan our maneuvers. As you can see, the main challenge is to not hit anything while you're moving this arm, because all you got really when you're working, if you come here, there's this workstation. You got a couple of camera views to work from. You got your hand controllers to move the arm, and you get some computer displays and a bunch of switches here on the left. That's all you got. So you really gotta think ahead how you're gonna maneuver this arm without crashing into anything, because of course that would be a very bad day on orbit.
And what do we control the arm with?
Well, so there's actually two joysticks. One moves the end of the arm, in lateral motions, up, down, left, right, and out, and the other one moves the arm in angles. You can pitch up, pitch down, roll, and yaw.
And I see a trigger switch down there. Is that for firing the space lasers?
No. That's only that's to make the arm's hand grab onto a payload. So that's how we command the hand to close at the end of the arm. So for example, we can use the arm to grab a cargo vehicle, like a SpaceX capsule, for example, as it approaches. What these spacecrafts do is they approach space station, they hover nearby within reach of the arm, we maneuver to near enough, and then pull the trigger, and the hand just grabs the spacecraft, and then we can bring the spacecraft to a docking port on the station, open the door, and get our goodies. So here is the hand of the robotic arm. And as we're getting near the grapple pin,
so this is the grapple fixture which sits on all the payloads that the arm grapples. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
With the pin, huh?
And this is the hand, so it's gonna grab that pin here. Cables have caught the tip of the pin, and we're pulling the lock. There we go.
The arm has captured the payload.
Captured the payload.
So we've completed the first week of robotics training. We've got another week to go. Unfortunately, as you can see, the weather's gotten so bad that we now have to snowshoe our way to job. But it's still fun. We'll look forward to the second week. So for a whole week, we've been battling the robotic arm. Now we're battling the elements. I wonder what our good friend Thomas Pesquet is doing at this time.